Okay, so we've got the minces nice and cooked, and it's getting colder now, and it's a dry mix. You don't want it to be sloppy, you don't want any liquid, so that's perfect. So now we roll out some puff pastry. I make them into little patties, and you simply put a teaspoon of it into the centre, wet the edges like that, fold it over, and then with a fork, you can use this one, you just seal the edges. Prick a couple of holes and simply coat it in an egg wash, and that'll make it lovely and golden. And there you go. That's how you do it.